Alright, so satisfying equations. So first of all, let's take the expression 5a plus 2 and another expression 2a. Now if we place an equal sign between both of these expressions, it forms an equation. So the question now is, how do we satisfy equations? Well, whatever value that we substitute in for a, it must make the left hand side of the equation equal the right hand side of the equation. And so I'm going to write a few values here of a. Say a equals 5 and a equals minus 2. And what we're going to do is that we're going to substitute these values of a into our equation and hopefully make the left hand side of the equation equal the right hand side of the equation. So our first value for a is a equals 1. So we have 5 times 1 plus 2 equals 2 times 1. So with 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7, equals 2 times 1 is 2, and we have 7 equals 2. Now we know that 7 does not equal 2, and so our first value for a does not satisfy the equation. So let's look at our second value. So our second value is a equals 5. So let's try that. 5 times 5 plus 2 equals 2 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, plus the 2 is 27, equals 2 times 5 is 10, and we have 27 equals 10. And so 27 does not equal 10, and so our value for a equals 5 does not satisfy our equation. So let's hope we have some better luck with our next value. So our next value is a equals minus 2 over 3, so let's try that. 5 times minus 2 over 3 plus 2 equals 2 times minus 2 over 3. We have 5 times minus 2 over 3, which is minus 10 over 3, plus the 2 equals 2 times minus 2 over 3, which is minus 4 over 3. We can simplify further this expression on the left hand side just so we can see what we're doing. 2 times 3 is 6, plus the minus 10 is minus 4 over 3. So that's what we have on our left hand side. And for our right hand side, well, we already have minus 4 over 3. And so we can see that our value a equals minus 2 over 3 does indeed satisfy our equation.